video, I would like to quickly show how to get rid of your .env file in your project so your AI agents do not purposefully or accidentally have access to the file and read it, then eventually send to the backend server, to the AI server. So I started using anti-gravity about 2 weeks ago. I think it's amazing. It helps me and it allowed me to develop very fast. Before I start using this for my backend project, I just did a simple test, which was, hey, what were the variable values? What are the secrets in my .env file? I just wanted to see if it has access to it directly. Then initially it asked me, can I have access to it? I clicked deny. But then what it did was it used cat terminal commands. Then it was able to read the whole file and telling me, hey, these are your secrets. You're my API. Big Brother is watching me right now. My password, television rules the world. Obviously, these are what I just made up. I do trust anti-gravity. I do trust Google team. And I think this will be fixed eventually. As I understand, anti-gravity is still in their preview stage. But still, we make mistake, and what I want is, I do not want this IDE have accidentally giving this to the AI, and AI will think of it as hallucinated, and this will think, okay, these are very crucial data, like part of the context of the project, and it's going to help a lot to debug, so it's sent back to the server. I don't want that to happen because these secrets have to be kept very secure. That's why we don't include this in our Git repository. So what we want to store those variables in this keychain access, which is managed by the Mac. And every time before the application starts running, then if it's a Mac environment, if it's not Mac, then it goes to look for the secret called the demo secret, which I named, and then if it exists, then it's going to inject it as environmental variables. So, and then so we can get rid of this .env file from our project directory. Let me show you how I did. So let's go to the demo project directory, and I'll move that to this documents folder, and then demo, I'll change the name, open with text editor. So as you can see, our secrets are exactly there. So I'm just going to run this command, which adds the as a demo secrets to our as a generic password, and all the values is going to be exactly same as .demo.env file. So I wrote. So let's go back to this keychain access, and yep, now we have successfully created that variable. Every time you have access to it, you will have to put your macOS secrets password. So yeah, there we go, my API and my passwords. So that looks good. So let me run the Java Spring Boot with Maven. So now the Mac OS is asking me, hey, do you want to give access to the demo secrets? Yes, and I put my password, and application immediately starts running. Then you can see that, yeah, from this line, and these are also coming from directly from the properties file, which also get data, the environment variables from .env environment variables, and it's been successfully injected. Now I have forgotten to remove that .env for testing. Let me run again. So if I run again, it asks me the passwords. Yep, although I have got rid of the env file, it is there. So if I delete this, then it's going to crash. Okay, so that's how I did. The reason why that I kept this file, because I still do want to manage all the secrets in my as a file. I don't want to every time go to this kitchen access and update the file. So what I want, so documents folder is a bit special folder where it's being aftered by the macOS, the security system. So if you go to the privacy and security and go to files and folders, and you can see that anti-gravity has requested access to all of these folders, and unless you have specifically allowed the access, give the permission to it, then it is not going to be able to read any file from in the directory. I've tested several times on this chat, and hey, I've specifically said, hey, go to this documents folder and there's a file called .env, then what's in it? But then this, on the OS level, it was not able to access to it. So yeah, that's how I managed to how I got rid of the file .env file from it, so AI does not accidentally send that back to the server. Thank you.